worth millions of dollars each.
Millions of dollars, got it.
Jesus.
My bad. My bad. Won't have it again. God. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Come on, Scarlet Face. You ain't alright. We gotta get in this fight.
Tracking signal is good. Don't let go of that truck, Snake Eyes.
Let's get that bastard off the roof.
They're driving right into the heaviest traffic. What kind of escape route is that?
Maybe they're not trying to escape. Maybe they're heading somewhere.
Possible target?
Yes. Someplace with a lot of metal.
They're gonna blow it up. All units! All units!
Guys, you have to stop them!
Yeah, we're working on it.
I mean right now! They're going to detonate one of the warheads of the Eiffel Tower!
He's underneath! Kill him! That red